Hi guys, welcome back to the LeetCode SQL 50 series. So today we are with the next problem in the sorting and grouping section. Okay, so this is the third problem in this section, and the problem title is Product Sales Analysis 3. Okay, LeetCode 1070. So this is a medium level problem that LeetCode has categorized it into. So if we go through the table description, right? So we have been given with sales table, which is having 5 fields. Okay, so sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. All are of int type. Okay, so sales table, this is kind of a fact table, guys, because for a business or for a company, for an organization, right? So every day there will be some transactions happening. Yes, na guys. Every day there will be some products being sold, right, to each and every different customers, right? So this is a kind of a fact table. So this table, every day that data keeps on growing. Okay, so sale ID and year is the primary key, combination of columns with unique values. Cool. Because the product, right, it will be sold for multiple times now, guys. So sale ID is actually the unique key, but they have given, but in this table they are saying that both the combination of both these fields will be the primary key. They have given it, okay. Each row records a sale of a product in the given year. Yes, guys. So they are particularly not specifying. I think they have just given the year and not specific date. So this is a kind of a sample problem. Okay. Not a in real world in real world there will be there will be more in-depth details. Okay, like particular and what particular date on what particular day and what particular time. So in real world you can assume things. Okay, a product may have multiple sale entries in the same year. Cool. Note that per unit price. Okay, so they're saying that this price is not for the whole whole transaction, and this price is actually the price of 1 unit. Okay, so they have not given total price; they have given 1 unit. I think we have seen kind of problem in earlier, right, in earlier sections, right? Okay, so they're asking us to write a solution to find all the sales that occurred in the first year each product was sold. Oh my god, this was similar to our one of the previous problems, right, now guys? So here also we need to find the first sale, or the product that has been sold the first year in which it has been sold, right? For each product ID, identify the earliest year it appears in the sales table. Return all sales entries for that product in that year. Okay, return the table with the following columns: product ID, first year, quantity, and price. I think, guys, this is not even matching to medium level, right now, guys? This is easy level problem, okay, guys? Because we have been solving these problems earlier also, so that is why now it has become very easy, right now, guys? So they have given us this sales table, right? I think this is very small table, okay? So only we have 3 sales, okay? We have 3 sales, and you can see sale ID 1, product ID 100, and year 2008, quantity 10, and price this, okay? And again sale ID 2 with the same product ID, and it has been sold in 2009, and it has some values, okay? And one more product which is 200, that is of sale ID 7, and it has been in this. So what we need to do, we need to, for every product, right now guys, for every product we need to find the initial year, I mean the first year in which it has been sold. That is in this, I mean whichever it is present in this table, and then we need to just output this particular fields. That's it, guys. So there is nothing much in this question, right now, guys, and it is LeetCode has categorized it into medium. Yeah, so it happens. Most of the time it happens in LeetCode. Easy problem, which which has been categorized into easy, you will find very difficult. You'll be finding it very difficult to to solve. And whichever are medium, right now, guys. So people, many students just see that medium tag, and they will, most people, okay, 40 to 50% people will quit there only. But if you go little a step ahead, and if you have that patience and read the question right now, guys, till top to end, right, then you will think like, how can I miss this? Okay, so it happens. Okay, medium level, sometimes medium level things are very easy. Medium level problems are very easy on LeetCode. Okay, so nothing guys in this problem, as we have done it right in the previous sections, last problems I guess, right? So we have solved it very similar, like, right? It was very similar to those questions. So they are asking us to find the minimum year, okay, sorry, the initial year in which the product was sold, and just we need to display, we need to not do any aggregation functions also guys. So it is actually, it is very easy problem guys, and it does not lie between easy and medium also, okay, I would say. Because what you need to do guys, it is only like you need to group this particular table, sales table, on product id, because you need the data for every product. Group it by product id, right now guys. And then once you group it, both these two records will be in my product id 100th group, and this one record will go to 200th group, okay. And then on that particular, you have to find the first year in which it was sold. So just apply minimum function on year, you will be getting the least year, right? So that is the first year in which this product was sold. So find out that first year for every product, and then just display these particular columns, okay. So very easy problem guys. Let us not waste any much time, and let us just directly jump on to the code, okay. So what we need to do guys, first we will list out the task that we're gonna work, okay. So first we will find out the initial, okay, initial year in which the product was first sold out, okay, first sold. And once we all get those dates, right, so we will actually put this in CTE, okay, in CTE. And then using CTE from step 1, join with original sales table, and display the required fields, okay. That's it guys. So very simple problem, okay. So we will be starting on this task 1, okay. We need to find the initial years for every product. How are we gonna do it? So from sales table, we're gonna group this particular sales table by product ID. Alright now guys, so once we have grouped it by product ID, then we will select two columns, okay. One is the group by column, product ID, and then we need to find out the initial year in which that was found. How we can get it? Apply minimum function on the year field, okay. Min of year, and this will be my the initial year in which this product was sold, or starting year or first year, you can name whatever best suits you, okay. So I've just named it as initial year. You can use anything. So let us just see the output, if it is coming in the correct manner. So you can see guys, for every product we have got the initial year, okay. So for 100 we have got 2008, right? So 100 was sold in 2008 and 2009. The initial year is 2008. And for 200 there is only one record that is present, and that is sold in 2011, okay, and that is coming as well, okay. So like this we have got the we have completed the task 1. Now I'll just put this whole query inside a CT, because I want to join it with, and I don't want to join this particular, I think we can join this using a subquery also, but I don't want to do that, because it will make my simple and cute query look as a very complex query. I don't want that, okay. If you want, you can do that. So with CTE as, and this particular whole query, I will just put it into this CTE. Oh my god. Cool. So now we have created the CTE, and now what we need to do is, we need to this one, okay. Using this step 1, we need to join it with the original sales table and display the required fields, okay guys. Now in this table we have all this initial years and the product IDs, okay. now with this particular information I will just join it with this join it back with the sales table and find out the other required fields. Okay, so from sales S join CTE C, on which columns guys? We have two columns right now guys, product ID and initial year, right? So S dot product ID equals to C dot product ID, and S dot year will be equal to my C dot initial year. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select not star but only these columns which they have asked us. Okay, product ID, right? So product ID is in which table guys? So if you want I can just show you the output of this also, it is better, right, for understanding purposes, and I'll just show you this output. Okay, so I've joined these two tables guys, and I'll just wait for the output. Yeah, so I've joined these two tables guys, and you can see that these four columns, right, five columns price, these are my this sales table, and these are coming from my CTE table, right now guys. So it has matched, right? The product ID has matched with this product ID, CTE product ID, and year also matched with this year, initial year. So now this is the intermediate table. Okay, this is the join table. Okay, these are my join table. These right. So what I need to do, what columns I need to select guys? I need the product ID. So I can select either product ID, I can select from any of the two tables. I can select from either sales or CTE. Okay, so I'll just do from sales S. Okay, so S dot product ID, and next column is first year. Okay, first year. Okay, initial year is the first year. Okay, you can select the year. Again, year is also same right now guys, because that was the this was the column on which we have matched the table right now guys. So you can select any year, right? So I'll be selecting the S dot year only. So S dot year, and they have set it as the first year. Okay, so as first year, and next we need quantity. So quantity is in coming from the sales table, S dot quantity, right? And price is also from the first table, that is sales, right now guys. So S dot price. So I've selected all the required columns, and I think now the test case that has been given should be passed. Yep guys, yes guys, so it has passed. So let us without wasting any time, without wasting any more time, we will be submitting it, and we will check if it is working on the backend test cases or not. Yes guys, so it has passed. Cool guys, it has passed, and we can check other solutions if there are any efficient solutions. And you can see here basically this is what we call as analytical or window functions, right? So if you want to understand the solutions, you can go through this. Okay, ask AI tools and try to go through the solution. Otherwise I will also I have I've from previous many days I've been telling you that I will also work on window functions, analytical functions. We will come to that problem, so you can wait for me. Okay, so they have used this window function and subquery kind of stuff, and then they are doing this stuff. This is also a good problem. Okay, so yes guys, so that's it. Okay, so that's it from this problem. Like, we have first found out a minimum year for every product, and we have put that whole thing into a CT, and then we have joined that particular CT with the sales table again. Okay, so to get this particular columns, okay, that is year and quantity and price. Okay, for quantity and price. Okay, so that's it guys, very simple problem. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this solving a medium level problem right now guys. So that's it from this problem. I will meet you in the next problem. Okay, so until then, happy learning, and thank you.